This is Sean McCormick for Radio Hannah. In this video, we're going to talk about a very inexpensive option for connecting your XLR microphone to your computer. Now, the cable I'm using to record this video today with our microphone is the SODIAL USB male to 3-pin XLR female microphone mic studio audio link cable. That's a long way of saying that you have a cable that has a USB connector on one end for your computer and an XLR connection on the other end for your microphone. This eliminates the need for a mixer or a USB audio input device between your microphone and your computer. In fact, a normal XLR to XLR cable usually costs about $5 to $10, so this really is a good deal. If you had to buy a mixer, you would be spending probably $77, $78. That's what we have, these little mixers here. These cost $77 right now on Amazon. We also have some of these Behringer UM2s, and these cost $93. So you can see that the cable that eliminates the mixer is a real saving. Now, a word of warning, the $10 cables take about 2 months to arrive. Really makes you crazy. They're coming from Hong Kong, you can see. I ordered some, about 4 months ago. I waited and I waited and I waited, and I finally got really frustrated and contacted Amazon and said, look, these guys aren't sending the cables. This is obviously fraud. Please refund my money. And then the very next day the cable showed up, so I had some egg on my face and had to go back to Amazon and say, hey guys, the cables actually did show up, so would you please reverse that claim I put in and pay the vendor because they did ship after all. It just takes quite a while to come. So if you are ordering these cables from Online World, HK, or whoever, basically if it's the $10 cable, just be aware it's going to take a long time to show up. If you're really in a hurry to get the cable, this cable, the AGP Tech, is, as near as I can tell, identical to the SODIAL cables. I have both because when I got frustrated, I ordered the more expensive one, and they're identical. They behave the same, they look the same. I'm pretty sure they came out of the same factory, but this one costs $19. The big thing is, today is the 20th, and this ships by the 23rd, so it comes really quickly. If you need the cable right away, order the one that costs more and look for the shipping date. It'll say it comes right away. As to what microphone we're using, the microphone usually makes the biggest difference in sound quality. We're using our standard Behringer XM1800S microphones that come in 3 packs. They cost about $22 a piece. They're wonderful. They pick up very little background noise. So that's what I'm actually using right now to record this video. I'm very happy with it. So if you're a student or a community broadcaster who wants to hook up an XLR microphone, a dynamic handheld microphone with an XLR connector directly to your PC without paying a lot of money for a mixer, this is the way to go. If you need to use more than one microphone at once, you're going to have issues and you would actually need to buy a mixer. I think this will bring up the mixers we use. A mixer like this lets you hook up more than one microphone at one time, so here we can have up to 6 microphones. So if you're trying to use more than one microphone, obviously you're going to have to spend more money. But if you're just a one-man show and you're simply trying to record one person, this cable is your best value. Now let's look at setting this up. Okay, right-click on the speaker, recording devices, go to your USB PNP sound device, right-click, make sure it is the default device. If not, set it as the default device because it has to be. Next we go to Properties, and we want Levels. And we want this at 100% for general recording and using with Audacity. We'll do a quick check. We see audio. That's good. We'll go back to Properties, Levels again. If you're using this with Radio DJ, you want to set this around 75% or 76%. It doesn't have to be bang on, but that's what you need for Radio DJ because of the auto gain control in your audio processing. For Audacity, 100% works fine. So we'll say OK and get out of there. Now we're going to go back down to playback devices. We want to make sure that this is not set as a playback device because it's a microphone cable. We can't play back through it, so right-click and disable it. It saves you a lot of headaches. And say OK when you're done. Your microphone is now ready for use in Audacity, or if you'd set the level to 75% for recording, in Radio DJ. This is Sean McCormick saying thanks for watching our video, and I hope you have a great day.